Welcome back to the channel as a World Earthquake Update, where on August 12th, 2026, at local time of 10:47 a.m., a magnitude 6.0 earthquake occurred at a depth of 6.2 miles at an epicenter of 60.1 degrees south and 28.5 degrees west, placing it about 100 miles southwest of the southernmost islands of the South Sandwich Islands, which are part of the British Overseas Territories, thanks to the British Empire, and the two smaller islands, Thule and Cook, are the closest to this epicenter. Now, tectonically, this earthquake was a result of the subduction between the South American plate subducting underneath this tiny microplate called the South Sandwich microplate along the South Sandwich Trench to the east. Now we have the South Sandwich Islands, which are a volcanic island arc, which is a classic consequence of an ocean-to-ocean convergent plate boundary. And then to the west, we have the Scotia Minor Plate, which in itself is in between the South American plate to the north and the Antarctic plate to the south. So this microplate, the South Sandwich microplate, is formed between the subduction zone and the trench to the east, and to the west is the East Scotia Ridge or Rise, which is a back arc spreading center which is formed from rising magma associated with the subduction mechanism pushing these two plates away. Now, it's different from a divergent plate boundary because new oceans aren't formed. Just this is an area where the lithosphere is extending and being stretched. Now, as you can see from this USGS image of historic seismicity or previous earthquakes that have occurred in this region, you're seeing that the majority are shallow earthquakes between 0 to 70 kilometers in depth. And we have a couple of hidden deeper earthquakes, intermediate earthquakes towards the west, but you can see the clear outline of the South Sandwich Trench and subduction zone between the South American plate subducting under this tiny microplate.